Here I will study the working of 4-stroke petrol engine. First discuss construction detail. Similar to a 2-stroke engine, it is also consists of a cylinder, that is our cylinder. See you in figure. Our cursor movement. So that is our cylinder, and cylinder head, that is our cylinder head, and spark plug, he is our spark plug. Piston ring, piston ring are laminated around our piston to protect the leakage. Connecting rod, the connecting rod is to connect the piston and crank, that is the connecting rod. Crankshaft, our crank is mounted on this shaft, that is known as the crankshaft. The distance travel one dead center to another dead center is known as a stroke. Basically, that is the one dead center, second dead center. This distance travel is known as the stroke. In our 4-stroke is the four-stroke cycle is the individual, or 4-stroke have our individual work. Our first stroke is the suction stroke. Our first stroke is suction stroke. The suction valve is open, exhaust valve remain closed. These valves through air and fuel mixture enter in the cylinder due to piston move top dead center to bottom dead center. When our piston is reached at bottom dead center, then suction valve is closed. What is saying? Simply says that during the suction stroke, our suction valve open. This suction valve through enter the air fuel mixture. The air fuel mixture are, when our, in this condition our piston reach here, then here at a top dead center, this situation entering air fuel mixture are push the our piston top dead, that due to our piston move top dead center to bottom dead center. During the movement of a piston top dead center to bottom dead center, only our suction valve are open. When our piston is reached at bottom dead center, then both suction valve and exhaust valve both are closed. That time our suction stroke are completed. In suction stroke, basically our air fuel mixture enter in the our cylinder. So its stroke is known as the suction stroke. Second stroke is compression stroke. Compression means here are our in piston above available of the charge, these charge in this section are compressed. When the piston is moved bottom dead center to top dead center, during the suction valve, exhaust valve close. During suction valve and exhaust valve close, the trapped charge in the cylinder is compressed by the upward moving of the piston. Means in this stroke, suction compression stroke is compress the available of charge movement of the our piston top dead center to bottom dead center to top dead center. During this compression stroke, our both valve, suction valve and exhaust valve both are closed. And when our piston is reached at top dead center during this compression stroke, then our compression stroke are completed. Our third stroke is the expansion stroke. At the end of the compression, the compressed charge ignited by high intensity of spark created by the spark plug. Simply he said that when compressor stroke are completed, that time our charge is ready to ignite, and when spark is high intensity spark are generated, that addition of spark in our air fuel mixture, then combustion are occur. The combustion of start due to the inside cylinder gases pressure and temperature increases. Thus the burning gases force the piston downward directions. Means when combustion is completed, that heat energy released, this heat energy due to inside cylinder pressure and temperature are increasing, then he will he will he will push in downward direction. That is our power stroke. That time also the both valve, inlet and exhaust valve, close when our piston move top dead center to bottom dead center. That is our power stroke. When he is reached at the bottom dead center, then our power stroke are completed. Our power stroke, and this time is the both valve is remain closed. That is our third stroke, or you can say that the power stroke. This power is the stored in flywheel, and according to use he will give. Fourth stroke, exhaust stroke. That time only exhaust valve open and burn gas are expelled to surrounding by upward movement of the piston. Simply, when the in last cases our power stroke during our piston is available in bottom dead center. When our piston move bottom dead center to top dead center during the he expel the here available burn gases, expel in exhaust valve through the exhaust in surrounding upward movement of the piston. The stroke is completed when the piston approach the top dead center, and this exhaust stroke is completed when our piston move top dead center to bottom dead center. This time suction valve remain closed when our piston move and reach our bottom dead center, then our exhaust valve close, and again our inlet valve open. Again the our fuel air mixture are come, then our suction stroke start after the compression often after power stroke, after exhaust stroke. This repetition of cycle, that is that cycle repetition of cycle is known as the working of the 4-stroke petrol engine cycle. Application: automobile, motorcycle, car, buses, trucks, aeroplanes, small pump. Nowadays 4-stroke petrol engine have been replaced by the 4-stroke diesel engine. That is the reason is the simply cost of the petrol is much more in comparison to price of the diesel. So our diesel engine, our diesel price is less, so the use of this 4-stroke diesel engine is more. Then that time our 4-stroke diesel engine replaced the 4-stroke petrol engine. Working of 4-stroke diesel engine. Simply here are same. First is the suction stroke, then compression after power stroke, and last one is the exhaust stroke. Same working is the our 4-stroke diesel engine, same as our petrol engine follow. But here are one difference is during the suction stroke in petrol engine both air and fuel mixture both are come, but in diesel engine they are work similar to petrol. In the here are suction stroke only air are enter in the cylinder, mean during suction stroke are only air are come, in our diesel engine, but in petrol engine air and fuel both mixture are come. That is the first difference of the during the our suction stroke. When the compression stroke are completed, that time air compressor ratio 40 to 21, and here are the very important role in the compression stroke, because of in petrol engine compression ratio lie between 10 to 12, but in our diesel engine compression stroke is the very important because of the air compression ratio 40 to 21 required. And then third is the therefore injection fuel is self ignited, means he in our diesel engine third step is the spark plug use, but here are spark plug not here are use of injector. This injector through here injector are replaced by spark plug. Injector through drop of the fuel or diesel are come, then self ignite because of the in our cylinder due to compression this pressure and temperature much more, due to any drop of fuel are come, then self ignite and self burn. That is the third difference due to during our compression stroke. The air fuel mixture in the diesel engine heterogeneous ranging upon 20 to 60. Simply here are the air and fuel mixture not a homogeneous, because of the a drop of come, then mix with air, then ignite, then burn it. That process to take some time. He is not a proper mix. That mixture is a heterogeneous, not a homogeneous mixture in the. And same after burning of the our fuel, then our power stroke start. After power stroke complete, then the exhaust stroke are same. Means both diesel engine and petrol engine, both diesel and petrol engine are suction are same. Suction during one difference is the here only air come, and in petrol engine air and fuel mixture come, then suction stroke are complete. Then compression stroke, during compression is the where I compress air and fuel mixture, but our in diesel engine only air is compressed up to 40 to 21 bar, then injected through a drop of fuel, diesel fuel come, then self ignite, then again start our power stroke, and this power stroke through after completion of our power stroke, then start the exhaust stroke. That is the complete cycle of the 4-stroke diesel engine. That is clear here. Simply defense suction air and the spark plug replaced by the injector valve. This injector valve to the